D&D Hardware is an ISO 901 certified factory with 13-year experiences, specialized in door hardware for 13 years. Products including door hinge, multi-slug, lever handle, cylinder, door closer, and panic device. Suitable for education, healthcare, hotel, government, apartment building, hospitality, commercial applications. D&D offers products meet NCBHMM performance standards as well as current UL fire rating requirements and ENCE standards. D&D is beyond simply a manufacturer. D&D is also door hardware solution provider. Our mission is to satisfy end-user needs for security, safety, and convenience. Our ISO quality control system helps us maintain our product quality. We have confidence to offer a 5-year mechanical guarantee on certified products. And this will give you confidence to present the product to your client. Product certificate, cut sheet, drawing are available for project needs. A one-stop service, pre-sale guidance, shipping, after-sale service are available to support your business with your clients. D&D has established long business relations with customers from Europe, Middle East, America, and Asia. Benefit from product certification, expertise knowledge, quality assurance, competitive pricing, customization ability, and great service. Through our partnerships, we have developed extensive market knowledge and understand the technical specification and quality requirements. We believe we are capable to assist you to be prosperous in business.